There's never been a more opportune time to launch an online business. According to the US Census Bureau, in the third quarter of last year, e-commerce sales increased to 16.1% of total retail sales. This figure has been rising consistently for over 2 decades, a trend that shows no sign of slowing down. Now, you may ask, how does one start an online business? Today, we will guide you through the steps. But before we begin, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about business topics that can save you time and money. Step 1. Identify a business idea. This idea should be something you're passionate about, but also something that can solve a problem or fill a gap in the market. Data from CB Insights revealed that 42% of startups fail because they're not meeting a market need. Step 2. Market research. Find out who your potential customers are, what they need, and who your competitors are. According to Market Research Future, the global market research industry is projected to reach $107.4 billion within 4 years, which signifies the importance businesses place on market data. Step 3. Create a business plan. Your business plan should detail your strategies, from marketing and sales to operations and finance. According to a study published by Harvard Business Review, entrepreneurs who write formal business plans are 16% more likely to achieve viability. Step 4. Set up your business legally. This means deciding on a business structure, registering your business, and getting any necessary licenses and permits. Our organization can take care of this entire step on your behalf. Step 5. Build your website or online store. Shopify reported that in 2022, businesses operating on their platform saw a combined $5.1 billion in sales over Black Friday and Cyber Monday weekend. That's the power of a well-constructed online storefront. Step 6. Market your business. SEO, social media marketing, email campaigns. These are just a few of the tools at your disposal. As of right now, the number of social media users worldwide is 4.33 billion, providing you with a vast audience for your business. And finally, Step 7. Launch your business. And remember, learning and adapting is part of the process. If you need more information about how to get your endeavor off the ground, please visit legalregistration.com, or you are welcome to call our experts right now at 877-955-7111. Also, what do you think about the steps of starting an online business? Is there a specific step that seems complicated? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important information designed to benefit your business.